have the Nissan 370z, and I love the look of this thing. When the 350z came out, I really liked that, but this makes that look a little bit wimpy, to be honest. This is a nice new one, 66 plate, as you can see, and the looks of the thing, Nissan haven't really done much really in terms of making it outlandish or anything. They've just kind of copied the sort of similar styling to the Audi TT or a Porsche Carrera, and they've made it fairly similar to that. I do like the nice aggressive grille. That's a little bit more aggressive than the Porsche, I'd say. And at the back, it's got all sort of curves in the right places. Especially, I think the nicest thing is the wheel arches, nice and big, and let you know that you're driving something leery, sporty, and ultimately fast. This is a 3.7 litre, around about 330 brake horsepower, goes to 60 in about 5.3 seconds. Not supercar quick by any means, but still pretty fast. And above all, I think Nissan have done very, very nice with the styling on the outside. Over to the inside of the 370z. So for starters, I think that the steering wheel could be a little bit sportier. It could have the flat bottom like a lot of the others have, but it's got these room for big flappy paddles, and yeah, it's all right. Elsewhere, we've got a nice sort of soft texture. It's not hard plastic. We've got a bit of suede there, and it's quite nice, especially around the infotainment system. The infotainment system screen's good. It's touch screen, which is great, especially on one of these sportier cars. They usually leave the infotainment system till last, but they've actually thought about this, and this is good. There's a couple things. Now, the seats you can adjust by electronically, which is a good thing. But then you can go back, you can go forward, you can recline and go forward again, and you think, where's the catch? There is a catch, because then on the other side, to adjust the height of them, you've got these little plasticky knobs. It's like Nissan engineers designed this side and then they left this side to like me. You know what I mean? So I don't know what that was. It's like, oh, we forgot to do the ride height. We've got £10 left. Let's put some plastic knobs on. But other than that, it's really nice. We've got a Bose sound system, which is pretty decent. The sound you get when you put your foot down coming through to the cabin is nice. One more thing, other than the little plastic knobs, there's a lot of like little orange graphics in here that belong on the Sega Mega Drive, and that is it. And finally, the seats, very comfortable, two-tone leather and suede upholstery. I actually quite like them, no complaints there. Then don't hug you as much as some of the other sporty cars, but to be honest, it's pretty decent. This car is so much fun. With traction control off and foot to the floor, the rear end wants to put you in a heap by the side of the road. But that's the fun of it, isn't it? The 3.7 litre engine makes the most tremendous sound out of those exhausts, and the beauty of this car is it is not four-wheel drive. It makes you feel engaged. There might be some little things about the build and the interior of this, but there is nothing wrong with the drive. The suspension is firm, but not ridiculous, and I guess visibility is an issue. It's got some rear windows that might as well not be there. As a daily driver, it is good because it's still comfortable at low speeds. Of course, we're not going to get our big shot done in this thing, but as a sports car, it should not be overlooked. If you want an Audi TT, just try this out first because you may be pleasantly surprised, and the price will be particularly pleasing too.